finding home together. They were strangers when we met, 6 family members spanning 3 generations, crammed into a dark Fullerton townhome with endless stairs. The grandparents ached, the children's laughter was muffled, and joy felt like a memory from another life. For 8 weekends, I hosted open houses at a peaceful single-story in Brea, quietly hoping the right family would find their way. Then, near Diwali, they walked in. The children ran free in the open yard, while the grandmother traced her fingers along the granite countertop and whispered, "This feels like India." In that moment, something shifted. The house became more than just walls and a roof. It was possibility, hope, and the warmth of belonging. They asked me to represent them, not just as a realtor, but as someone who truly understood the ache of displacement and the longing for home. I negotiated the deal, contributed a part of my commission to help close, and on Diwali weekend, I brought Indian sweets and a Ganesha idol to bless their new beginning. The grandmother froze, tears in her eyes, and whispered, "That's exactly what I was going to bring." Later, I convinced them not to sell their old home, and today it's a cash-flowing rental. That $1 million Brea home? Now worth $1.4 million. But what mattered most was this: they didn't just buy a house, they found healing, and a sense of family, right where they belonged. Read Chapter 2 of From Broke to Broker. Right pointing finger emoji, varunishnanda.com, or click the link in bio.